Welcome back from the break. Remember, I am your host, Cruddy. Hit me up on Twitter at TheCruddy, TheKruddy. Because what? I'm going over to the Caribbean right now. It's time for the Caribbean Buzz. Big up Terra 3000. It's brought to you by Rum Bar. All right? So, Terra, talk to me. What going on in the Caribbean? We need for know.
This is your weekly trip across the Caribbean. And this is what we call the Caribbean Buzz. Now, Jamaican production team, The Ballers, has released their latest project, which is called Rio de Jamaica. A number of top names in the business have recorded tracks for this project, and among them are Idonia, Busy Signal, RDX, Voicemail, TOK, Was, Ninja Kid, and yours truly, Terra 3000. Make sure to check out my single on the rhythm called At Gal Fi Broad Out. At Gal Fi Broad Out. Bahamian reggae pop singer Sammy Star is about to drop a mixtape in April. This will be the lead up to his new album, which is coming out this summer. He got his start playing drums in church, singing in the choir, then playing the piano. He has released songs such as Good to Know You, Pick Me, Not Over You, and Same Girl featuring Jamaican singer Davil. He even had his own television show called Sammy Goes to Prom. Now over in Antigua, fans of Chosen Sound Productions have a new way of accessing music being released from the studio. The company's creative director, Omari Harrigan, recently launched a new website, www.chosensound.net, which features music coming out of the studio over the last 10 years. The site will offer rhythms produced by 3 local producers, Just Boss, J Crunk, and Trilogy, that artists can purchase and license for a particular time at reasonable rates. Chosen Sound has worked with a number of acts including Ricardo Drew, Drastic, and Logic, among others. Now that's it for the Caribbean Buzz, and I am Terra 3000. Tevo!
Alright, it's time for the Caribbean video, and it comes from Sharon Winchester. It's called We Control the Road. Right now you see my white line in. It means that me control the road. Check it out. Caribbean Buzz, Caribbean video, same Caribbean vibe. Sharon Winchester, We Control the Road.
On the road, 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 on the road. We control it. On the road, 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 on the road. Show them that we control it. When we on the road, carnival day. We on the road. Nobody can get up bad like we. We on the road. So tell the security, get up the way. Cause when we see that stage in front of we, everybody go. Hands up in the sky now. I want to see you jumping. Raise your right them high now. We got to keep it pumping. Tell the big band over so. We just can't test me now cause we control the road. We marching up uptown, downtown, all around. Man, I see the air on the left side, right side. We control the road. Yeah, nobody can tell we nothing. When we get in all we dirty, and we jamming hard carnival day. Jumping in the body section, winding up in all direction. Nobody can come and challenge way. Don't matter what anybody says. We taking back up the air today. So tell the security, get up the way. When you see that stage in front of me, everybody know. Hands up in the sky now. I want to see you jumping. Raise your right them high now. We got to keep it pumping. Tell the big band over so. We just got to speak up cause we control the road. We're marching up uptown, downtown, all around. Man, I see the air on the left side, right side. We control the road. Take it right now. We on the road. We on the road. Show them that you control it. On the road. You see this Savannah stage? This stage is yours. We control the road. We control the road. We control the road. We control the road. We control the road.
We're going for a third and final commercial break. When we get back, the top 10 chart sponsored by Lime. Keep it locked.